In this video, we are going to go through, is sound design important? Hello there everyone, my name is Edward White and I'm a creative entrepreneur based in the UK. I make videos around building my businesses and productivity. In this video, I want to talk about sound design. So, I've created a new at-live studio which I'm going to use for like podcasting and shooting videos like this, but as you can hear, the sound is pretty terrible. I'm currently using a lav mic, which helps a little bit because it's obviously closer and stuff. Ideally, I want to use a shotgun mic if I can to sort of mitigate against the sound. So essentially, this video is a test to see, one, what works best, two, if I can improve the sound design without dramatically changing the positioning of the mics and stuff like that, and then three, which microphone works best. So I've got three different types of mics. So I've got the Sennheiser lavalier mic, which this has been really useful. It's been really useful for if you're doing like outdoor shots and stuff like that, because it just helps to pick up the sound really clearly and really nicely. The next one is the Rode video mic, which has been a really good like vloggy style mic. So I've been using it when I do vlogs and stuff like that, or a lot of my YouTube videos, if I shoot them at my house, it's been really easy to use because it's close enough to me that it doesn't lose the sound quality. And then third, I've got a Zoom H6 recorder, which I use to capture Foley and I use to record podcasts and stuff like that with. So yeah, I wanted to try the three different mics that I've got. So if you are interested in learning about microphones, there are three different types of mics that you can use maybe for your videos and your business. The new space here is so bad acoustically. As I'm sure you can hear, it's very like echoey, and yeah, it's essentially just a box room. So there's no light and there's no soft surfaces. Everything's pretty hard. And yeah, I've bought some sound panels though, which I'm thinking will help, and I'm going to try and do the test without the sound panels, with the sound panels, and then the three different mics. So mic number one is the Sennheiser mic. This is what I'm talking on now. This is what you can hear. This is without any quote sound design, and yeah, this is me just talking to the mic, testing it. So what do you think? The quick brown fox jumped over the fence. One tip when you're doing videos and stuff and you ever change mics or you ever go to a new location, always test it on your ears and get the person who's talking or whatever it is that you're filming to say a sentence. So say like, what did you have for breakfast? Talk me through what a normal day looks like. And you don't just want them to go test, 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 test. You want them to actually get a conversation so that you can hear the different levels and stuff. So that's what I'm doing with this now. I'm going to use the other mic on my camera, as I don't have a boom arm yet. So yeah, when I do get one of those, I will use one of those. But for now, I'm just going to use this. What you should now be hearing is the mic up there, which if I had a boom arm, I would probably be able to position it just above here so that it's off the camera, but then it's still close enough to my mouth, which is the same distance. You have to test the different things and you have to try them. So let me know what this one is. This one is the Rode video mic. Again, all of them are linked below. Let me know, try it out, and yeah, let me know what you think. It'd be interesting. I'm interested to find out what they sound like, because I might find out that this one's better. Yeah, just a different kind of test. The quick brown fox jumped over the fence. Mic number three is the Zoom H6 recorder, which is this one here. I love this list. It's such a good mic. You can have XLR cables in, auxiliary, it's a USB output, so it's just like such a little beast. And yeah, very portable. You can take it pretty much anywhere. Again, it's got like almost like a camera, so it like clicks on like a lens sort of thing. So you can have it interchangeable. They do a directional mic for this one, but I'd probably get one for the camera directly. Such a good little beast. If you need an on-the-go recorder, I highly recommend this one. The only thing I don't like is it is battery powered, which, like, come on, 21st century, catch up. Like, have a rechargeable battery. Okay. I'm now going to put the sound panels onto the ceiling, and I might add in another additional blanket just to further soak up all that sound. You've got to think of sound as traveling in waves. So essentially every time you speak or you say something, the waves are going out and then they're hitting a surface. If it's a hard surface, it will rebound back, which is why you get the echo and you get the reverb effect. Whereas if it's a softer surface, like a blanket or you see the foam panels and stuff, these are what soak up the sound, so it gets absorbed into it. So I got them from Gick Acoustics online. They look really good. They're based in the UK. Yeah, thought I'd try them out. I'll let you know, and you can see them for yourself. So let's open it, see what it looks like. The quick brown fox jumped over the fence. So yeah, let's do a test on the road and see what it sounds like. The quick brown fox jumped over the fence. Let me know which one you think is the best and which one works, because ultimately, if you're not improving your game and you're not improving what it is that you're doing, then I think, yeah, you need to constantly learn. And this is something that I've learned quite late into the video game, about like sound design and how important it really, really is. A lot of the best videographers do really well because they see the importance of sound design. And if you can add like sound to your B-roll, it will just make it so much better. So I hope you found this little video useful. It's kind of more of a test for me to see, and I wanted to document the process. And hopefully you found something useful and you found, yeah, something beneficial out of it. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer, and all the mics can be found in the bio below. Have a great day. Goodbye.